Well, hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you this here Peiqyup app garden shears. These are harvesting shears. It's a two-piece package. Locking handle trimming scissors for cutting shears with a stainless steel blade for the branches, for flowers, for roses, for fruits, orange and green. Yeah, for orange fruits too, yes, and green apples. Maybe you can cut with that too, yes. But the color of these scissors or shears, they're orange and green. And they are different, of course, not only in the color, because this package contains a value pack of 2 pieces of 3 shears, 1 green and 1 orange, for our work at home or in the garden. The total length of the shears is 165 millimeter to 45 millimeter. And we have a super sharp blades. Because the blades are made out of stainless steel with a precision ground edges remains the razor sharp even after prolonged use. And last, hand fittage. Because the lightweight housing with the ergonomically shaped springy handles ensures a more comfort than the last hand fittage. And it's safe and portable. Because these mini scissors have a safe and secure side locking mechanism that protects and closes the blades when not in use. We ensure the close to prevent injuries, and it can be carried casually in a bag without stinging us, anyone. And we can plant small trees and flowers, indoor or outdoor plants, hydroponics, potted plants, new shots, or leaf covers a small garden. Do all the work to break, prune, and shape. With this nice Peiqyup mini shears. They have a safe and secure side locking mechanism, so you can lock it if you does not need it when it's not in use. We have a comfortable non-slip grip. These micro tip snaps can easily make processes without one hand without aging the important ends and the branches of other heads. And one is not in one line because it is banded a little bit. So one of the 2 shears are banded and the other is in alignment. The pruning diameter is possible up to 35 millimeter. Easy to prune your branches, shoots, flowers, and so on. This all brings us an easy operation and a good cutting experience. Brings us the Peiqyup garden shears. These are harvesting shears for everyone out there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!